As a principal instrument of India's maritime power, the Indian Navy is responsible for safeguarding India's interest in the maritime domain. The Indian Navy, a combat-ready and professional force, undertakes mission-based deployments in our areas of interest to ensure safe and secure seas. With modern ships, submarines and aircraft, the Indian Navy is truly a multi-dimensional force. The men and women behind these formidable platforms are professionals who are not only committed to India's safety and security, but also excel in other fields to keep the nation's flag flying high. On behalf of all service and civilian personnel of the Indian Navy, I would like to assure the nation that the Navy continues to remain committed to safeguard national security. I take this opportunity to convey my best wishes to the countrymen on the occasion of the Navy Day. Jai Hind, Shanno Varan.